Hello and welcome to this short demonstration where we will showcase the integration between Salesforce CRM and SAP Business One ERP system. So let's start with first the item synchronization. So as we know, all the items are listed within the ERP system. Now we can selectively upload the ERP items to the CRM system and can enlist those items within the CRM system for the further CRM operations like contracts, orders, invoices, etc. So we will start with the item listing. So we will start with inventory. Let's add a new item here. So let's say the new item is SM00987. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 4. So this will be a description of the item within the CRM. And as we know, SAP Business One has many price lists associated. All the price lists are linked, but I can add the price in the base price list. So the price list can be mapped properly with the CRM system. So let's say this is the item price and I'm adding the remarks tab. This will be treated as the description. So I'm adding the item in this section, and if I go, let me first search through this item SM. So this is the item which I have added within the ERP system. So in this way, the items which are already present in the ERP system can be selectively uploaded to the CRM system in the Salesforce. So let's go and add this item in the Salesforce. For that, we will use this small app which is installed within the ERP server. It is called APPSeCONNECT agent. So the integration between Salesforce and SAP Business One through APPSeCONNECT integration, this will be the control panel for the sync operations. So this has mainly the two sections, as we can see. One are between Salesforce to SAP Business One, and the other touch points are defined in the SAP Business One to Salesforce. So I'm moving into the SAP Business One Salesforce because I'm trying to upload an item to the CRM system. So here I can see the touch points are defined. The touch points will operational in a fully automatic manner, or I can use the manual trigger to quickly add items. So as per the business requirement, the agent, that means the small app, can be configured to perform the sync operations. So for this short demo, I will use the manual and I will add this item. So I'm just triggering the sync process for a quick add, and once this is added, the item will be shown in the Salesforce. So the process is over. Now if I go into Salesforce, I need to go to products, and here I can see this is the item which is added. This is called Samsung Galaxy Note 4. If I click on product code, I can see the item details. So the product name has been synced from the backend ERP to the CRM system. There is no price as such because all these sync processes are different. So if I would like to upload the standard price, so all I need to do is go to the agent, and there I can see there is an option called add standard price. So once I click on that, so the standard price will be fetched from the base price list of SAP Business One and will be uploaded to the CRM system. So I will just refresh this page here now as I have added the standard price. So I can see 5,600 INR standard price has been added. Apart from that, as we know, Salesforce CRM has an option called price books. So price books provides us different kind of pricing for different type of customers depending on their customer groups. So what we can do, we can map the price lists of SAP Business One with the price books defined in the Salesforce CRM. So this option is also there. So if I'd like to upload price for the price book, currently in my SAP Business One, only one price list is defined, as this is a demo system, but in production environment multiple prices will be uploaded and will be added in different price books which are defined within the Salesforce CRM. So I will quickly go to add standard price book manual trigger. And I will click on the sync process. I'll click on the trigger which will perform the sync process. So this is done. So again, if I refresh this button, so this page has been refreshed. Now I can see that only one price has been added. There is only one price book which is defined within the CRM system called the standard price book, and the base price of SAP Business One is shown here. There can be, as I mentioned, multiple price books, and all the price books can be mapped with the backend ERP's price lists which are available in the SAP Business One side. So once this is done, now we'll move to the other operations of the Salesforce. So we will start with a customer. Now customer sync can happen in bidirectional manner. That means the accounts and contacts created within the Salesforce CRM can be synced back to the ERP system in the SAP Business One ERP system, and similarly the business partners which are defined within the ERP system can be uploaded to the Salesforce CRM, and the accounts contacts will be automatically created. Even if the sales rep register leads here, those leads will be added in SAP Business One business partner master data as leads. So in this case, for this short demonstration, let's create a new business partner and the contact and upload that to the Salesforce CRM. But as I mentioned, this works in a fully bidirectional manner. That means leads, accounts and contacts created or qualified in the Salesforce CRM will be synced back to the backend SAP Business One business partner master data as either leads or as a BP customer. Under that, the contact person will be assigned. So I'll quickly create a new customer in the business partner master data. Let's say this is C0098 and the customer name is, for an example, ABC company. I'm quickly putting some basic information of the of this company. So it's a principal phone number, might be the desk phone at the reception, adding the fax number, and so I'm putting an email ID here, info@abccompany.com. Moving to the contact person tab, I'm quickly putting some contact person name and the contact person's title, for an example, and address is not required in this case, but I will quickly put the email ID which will be the user ID for this contact person. So these are done. Now I'll move to addresses tab and put some addresses in this section. So this is the billing address, ABC company, let's say street, and block if I require, or I will just simply put the city here, zip code, country I will select, let's say in this case this is United States, and selecting the state here. So this is done for the billing address. Now I will put the shipping address for this company. There can be multiple billing shipping addresses as per a company might have one billing address but can have multiple shipping address. All this information will sync to the CRM system. Putting the city, selecting the country here, state, phone number, miss the zip code, and putting a phone number for the shipping address. So I'm adding this business partner. So I need to go to the accounting and uncheck the tax option, adding this business partner. So the business partner has been added, the new business partner. So all I need to do is I need to move to the APPSeCONNECT agent. As I mentioned, all the sync process will operation in fully automatic manner. So in this case, I would like to sync something from SAP Business One to Salesforce. So I'll simply go there. So I can see there is an option called add account. So add account simply means the BP will be uploaded from SAP Business One to Salesforce CRM. And once this is done, then I will upload the contact person. So the contact person defined under the business partner will be synced back. So all the processes are done. Now if I move to the Salesforce, so I can go to accounts. So I can see ABC company came in as a new account. If I click on ABC company, I can see all the details. This is the sales rep who created this company. SAP Business One sales rep can be mapped with the sales rep defined in the Salesforce CRM, and they can provide, we can arrange access for them to access the CRM system, and the same sales rep will be selected properly in both the ERP and the CRM system. This is the account name, this is the billing address, this is the shipping address, this is the phone number, fax number, and all the details. In contacts, I can see the contact person defined. If I click on the contact person, I'll be able to see the details of this contact person, under which account this contact person is assigned, his mailing address if any. So the company's mailing address is shown here because I have not provided any separate address for the contact person. So in this way the customer can be synced from the ERP system to the CRM system. The reverse, that means the opposite direction data sync is also available. That means accounts and contacts created within the CRM system can be synced back to the backend business partner master data through the APPSeCONNECT integration between SAP Business One and Salesforce CRM. So now I will move to creating the standard operation for an account. That means starting with the contract. So I need to select the customer in this case. So I need to create a new contract. I need to select the account. So all the accounts are mentioned here. I need to select any one of them. In this case, this is ABC company. So I need to select a new account for them. All the billing shipping addresses are pre-fetched. Contract start date will be from today, and I need to put some other data as well. And so these are the basic information. The other information can also be added, like the special terms and the description according to the CRM need. So I'll simply save this new contract, and once the contract is saved, under that I can add a new order. So these are the new orders. So I need to go to click on the new, and first order start date, let's say for today. I need to select the contract. So I need to choose the contract which I have selected. and I can add some more information here. The billing street and the shipping street and all other details. I need to select the sales rep who will approve this new order, and I can add this order within the CRM system. So now I need to add the products which I am selling under this order. Price book will be standard. If this is wholesaler or retailer, then you can select any other price book. So this was Samsung Galaxy Note 4. Assigning the quantity and saving the item here. So the order is complete, which I placed against a new contract, and I've added the products as well based on the base pricing, that means from the standard price book. So now all the orders in this way which are created, or if you require opportunity, then it can be replaced with opportunity as well. So either order or opportunities, this kind of documents, if created in the Salesforce CRM, it will be synced back to the backend ERP system, that means within the SAP Business One, and will create a new order. So in this case I will quickly move to APPSeCONNECT agent. So this is between Salesforce to SAP Business One. In this sync trigger I will get the order add. So this can also be automated, that means whatever order created in the Salesforce will be synced back to the backend SAP Business One ERP system. Clicking on it manual, and the order has been synced now. If I move to the ERP, I am moving to sales AR module, sales order, last sales order. So this is the company C0098, as you can see, the company ID and the ABC company, and this is the contact person who placed the order, and this is the order details. If any discounts are calculated within the CRM system based on some discount rule, those discounts will be shown in this section. But in this demo session we have just configured the system to showcase the basic features of this APPSeCONNECT integration between SAP Business One and Salesforce. So as you have seen in this session, we have just shown you a few touch points which are available in the CRM and ERP integration of APPSeCONNECT. Hope you have enjoyed this session, and if required, definitely we will schedule another session where we will discuss in detail between the integration of Salesforce CRM and SAP Business One ERP. Thanks for watching.